Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 29 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. Question 29 says, in the given figure, chord AB subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center of the circle with radius 7 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the major sector OACB. And the second subdivision is find the area of the shaded segment if the area of OAB is given as 21.2 centimeter square. First one, we have to find the perimeter of the major sector OACB, which is the sum of arc length ACB, OA and OB. For arc length, we have this formula theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, and OA is the radius which is given as 7, OB is also 7. The angle subtended by ACB can be got by subtracting 120 from 360, which is equal to 240 degrees. So 240 upon 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 plus 14 on further simplifying, which is equal to 43.33 centimeters. The second subdivision is we have to get the area of the shaded region. To get the area of this shaded part, first we have to get the area of this sector OAB, from which we can subtract the area of the triangle OAB. Area formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB is given, which is 21.2. The angle subtended by the arc AB is 120, which gives us 154 upon 3 minus 21.2, that is 30.1 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded portion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.